Do you ever wonder how those day traders seem to navigate the chaotic world of minute-by-minute price swings? They're in and out of positions within the same trading day, making split-second decisions. So, what tools do they rely on to make sense of all that data and execute those lightning-fast trades? One platform that consistently pops up in conversations among active traders is TradingView. But do day traders actually use it? Let's dive in. The short answer is a resounding yes. TradingView is incredibly popular among day traders, and for good reason. Its robust charting capabilities are a cornerstone for technical analysis, which is the bread and butter of most day trading strategies. Imagine trying to spot crucial support and resistance levels, identify emerging trends, or analyze candlestick patterns on a basic, clunky interface. It would be like trying to drive a race car with a map from the 1980s. TradingView offers a sleek, highly customizable charting system that allows day traders to visualize price action across various time frames, from 1-minute charts to hourly views, all crucial for capturing intraday opportunities. Beyond just drawing lines, TradingView provides a vast array of technical indicators, moving averages, RSI, MACD, Fibonacci retracements, the list goes on. Day traders often combine several of these indicators to confirm signals and increase the probability of their trades. The platform makes it easy to overlay these indicators, adjust their settings, and even create custom indicators using their PineScript language. This level of customization is essential for day traders who often develop highly specific strategies tailored to their individual risk tolerance and trading style. But it's not just about the charts. Day trading is a fast-paced game, and execution speed is paramount. While TradingView itself isn't a brokerage, it often integrates with various brokers, allowing traders to execute their buy and sell orders directly from the platform. This seamless integration saves precious seconds, which can make all the difference in a volatile intraday environment. Furthermore, TradingView's real-time data feeds are critical for day traders who need up-to-the-second price information to make informed decisions. The platform also fosters a strong sense of community. Day traders can share their charts, trading ideas, and analysis with others, learning from different perspectives and staying on top of market sentiment. This collaborative aspect can be particularly valuable for newer day traders looking to hone their skills. The ability to backtest strategies using historical data is another significant advantage, allowing traders to evaluate the effectiveness of their approaches before risking real capital. TradingView's comprehensive charting tools, extensive indicator library, potential for broker integration, real-time data, and vibrant community make it an indispensable tool for many day traders navigating the fast-moving world of intraday trading. It provides the analytical power and speed necessary to identify and capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.